So Telesin's kindly sent me this universal shaft selfie stick, which also acts as a tripod. So let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. So this universal shaft selfie stick feels really solid and robust. It's made out of hard plastic. So just at the top here, this is where you'll mount your Action 4 or your GoPro, or even your Pocket 3 if you've got a special adapter. So right at the top here, you'll see a ball and socket joint. There's a clip at the side you just open up. That then frees the ball and socket. You'll be able to rotate your camera to landscape or portrait mode. And then when you've got the ball and socket joint exactly where you want it, just push the clip and that's fixed into place. And this silver ring here is a locking mechanism. So to activate the tripod, you'll just turn the locking mechanism anti-clockwise, which will loosen that. Grab hold of one of the legs. As you can see, it pops out nicely. And then just twist it clockwise to lock that into place. As you can see, that won't slide up and down no more. So that's securely into place. Now when fully extended, this can extend to 135 centimeters, which is 53 inch or 4.5 feet. So I'll just show you how far that can extend right now. So that's the tripod setup at its smallest. Now I've extended it to 12 inch. And now it's extended to 24 inches. And now that's extended to its maximum height of 135 centimeters, 53 inches or 4.5 feet. So as you've just seen there, you can have a short tripod, a medium-sized tripod or a large tripod in a very short time. And then to turn the tripod back into a selfie stick, you just simply fold it back up, lock that into place. And as you can see on the bottom of the tripod arms, you've got some solid rubber, so no matter what surface you stick that to, it's not going to slip or slide anywhere. So now you've seen the universal shaft selfie stick as a tripod. Let's fold the arms back up and turn it into a selfie stick. And to do that, we need to mount the Action 4, which is going to mount on top of here. So let's get that on top. Right, to mount the Action 4 on the selfie stick, you just slide it into the grooves there. Twist the locking pin. And then just as quick as that, you've turned it into a selfie stick. So as you've seen when this was set up as a tripod, this selfie stick really does extend. So let's just extend that out so you'll be able to see that. To extend the selfie stick, you just pull on there to the desired length. As you can see, it's a really long one. And that right there is out to its maximum 4.5 feet, 135 centimeters or 53 inches. And then you just pull it back in. So it gets down to the base level. So when it's a selfie stick like this, it really is light, compact and robust. That'll be able to take some knocks there without getting damaged. It really is solid. So as you can see when you've got your Action 4 attached there, if you want this in portrait mode, just flick the toggle here. That loosens the ball and socket joint. Put the Action 4 into portrait mode. Lock the pin there. That's nice and tight. So as you can see, you've got it in portrait mode. And then when you want to get that back to landscape mode, again, loosen the pin. That frees the ball and socket, so you can move that wherever you want, as you can see. And then simply lock the pin into place. That's nice and sturdy again. I've had quite a few selfie sticks in the past, and I've always liked them when they can extend really far, just like this one does. I always like to get low down creative shots, as I'll put up on screen right now. Some selfie sticks you get aren't quite that long enough, so you have to bend down whilst bending your back and get in an awkward position to get that low sweeping shot. But with this one, just extend it out as far as it possibly can go, as you can see, and you can just walk in an upright position whilst getting the low creative shots. So I've got the Action 4 set at standard D-warp, which is at 15mm lens. It's on the Telesin selfie stick right now, and this is set to the shortest. And this is the selfie stick set at halfway point, again on standard D-warp at 15mm. And now you can see the Telesin selfie stick is extended out to its maximum range. So all in all, this Telesin universal shaft selfie stick is a real must for me. It's going to be my go-to tripod and selfie stick from now on. The reason for that is it's got a real nice extendable length on there. While it's at its shortest length, it's great for vlogging. And when it's fully extended to 135 centimeters, you can get some real decent low-down creative shots. And also you'll be able to capture a lot more in the frame when it's stretched out to 135 centimeters if you're using it for a selfie. And then it easily retracts back in, as you can see. So if you're wanting to purchase this Telesin universal shaft selfie stick, I'll be leaving a link in the description. When you click that link, it's going to send you straight to the Telesin website, and there you'll receive 10% off. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.